Cucumbers are packed with essential nutrients including vitamin C and K, of which both plays a vital role of losing belly fat and losing weight as well. Cucumbers are very low in calories yet high in solution fiber, making them an excellent food that promotes hydration and reduce fats and also weight loss as well. Lemons contain significant amounts of soluble fiber, vitamin C, and many important nutrients, and antioxidants that leads to weight loss and belly fats and improve digestions and reduce the risk of diseases. Bananas are very important when it comes to weight loss. It also helps you feel longer, which can lead to weight loss and burn belly fat, avoiding overeating and avoiding eating very late during the night. Ginger contains potent metabolism and thermogenic properties, which can boost metabolism and stimulate the body to burn more energy and belly fat as well. Add in 1 or 2 cups of water depending on the amount you are making. Please, for better results, do not strain your drink before you take it. Always drink everything, the fiber and everything. Don't strain it. Honey helps boost metabolism, which causes more fat to burn. This is optional. You can choose not to do it. I prefer adding in some honey. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. This content includes advice, provides genuine information. Always consult a specialist or your own doctor before you drink.